and show me something. Keep it sauce and tell nobody in the city smoke exotics. Spin it slow, yeah.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's Sissy. And before you do anything else, please hit the subscribe button down below. I really appreciate it and it means so much to me. So first off, I've been sick. I've had the flu, and yeah, so I'm coming today, fresh face, no makeup. I have my eyebrows filled in a little bit because I couldn't come to y'all looking too crazy. So I have my brows filled in, but that's it. So yeah, let's just jump right into the video. So yeah, and if you don't know what hair this is, then you haven't seen my last video, and if you haven't seen my last video, then why are you watching this one? This is the Janet Collection Novitress Passion Twist crochet hair. I did the little poll thing. I asked if you guys wanted a review, an update on this hair, and you said yes, so here it is. First off, don't let this camera fool you guys how it's looking really cute and really fresh right now. Nah, cause this ain't what it is. Like, this is not what it is. The hair was nice when I first installed it, you know, whoop-de-whoop-whoop. Like, not even, I wouldn't even say a week, I would say like 4 to 5 days, the hair started tangling so bad. Seriously, like, so bad. Like, it's, like, really bad. So yeah, the hair does tangle. I've seen people ask, and yeah, the hair tangles quite a bit actually. And the ends start to get that nappy look. Y'all know, like synthetic hair, the ends of the hair get that, like they start to like that dreaded nappy look that we don't like. Yeah, it starts to do that. So after this video, this hair is like coming down. So how I've been maintaining this hair is like the little pieces you see like this, I've just been like cutting off, and I literally have to do this like every day. Like, I have to do this every day. That's how bad it gets. And it's just sad because the hair is so freaking pretty. Like, the hair is beautiful, but like, I don't know, like, whew, imagine swimming in this hair. I would not recommend swimming in this hair. I would not recommend this hair if you're looking for a protective style to last you a month or longer than that. This is not the hair for you. If you want to protect the style only for like a week or 2 weeks, a couple weeks or something like that, this would be a good style for that. I would suggest, if you are going to get the style, to wear a large bonnet at night to protect the hair. I started off doing that and then I stopped because it was still tangled anyway, but I was just like, you know what, what's the point, because I'm not gonna have this hairstyle in, so I'm not gonna have this hairstyle in a long time anyway, so what's the point in trying to keep it up? Let me show you. Like, you can't see. Let me turn down. Like, look at that. Like, that's just. Now, I've had this hair in about 2 weeks. Two weeks. Something around there. Something like that. Don't get me wrong. The hair is gorgeous. As y'all see, like, y'all see the hair. Like, it's gorgeous. Like, you know, the hair is really nice when you first install it. But it's a high maintenance style. I thought it was gonna be low maintenance, but it's not at all. It's a very high maintenance style. See, See, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Y'all see that? Y'all see that right there? That's what I'm talking about. And it literally does it like all over. And all I do, I just every day, every night, midday, midnight, I'm cutting flyaways. So I'm actually like shook at how good this hair is looking on camera, because when I'm looking in the mirror, like it's a hot mess, like it really is. But I haven't added anything to this hair. I haven't added any mousse, any braid spray, anything like that. I haven't added. I've just I've oiled my scalp, of course, and that's it. From 1 to 10, I think I would rate this hair I'm gonna say a 6. I'm gonna give it a 6. No, maybe a 6 or a 7. A 7 just because it is so cute. It's really cute, but just you'll get annoyed like how much it tangles when you're trying to, or if you're trying to put it in a new style, it tangles, and it like the knots start to like the knot, what the heck is that? The knots start to they start to like, I can't explain it. If you have this style, comment below if you know what I'm talking about, how they start to like some of the hair starts to like come apart. I don't know how to explain it. That's the best way I can explain it. But yeah, that's the update on this hair. So does this hair hold up good? No, it does not. It doesn't. I'm not gonna lie, it does not. It's not terrible hair. It's just I don't know if I would do this style again, honestly. If they changed it, if they fixed it to where the hair didn't just fray like that, then I would definitely do the style again. Like literally every twist that you have is gonna do that. Like it's gonna like fray like that. Whew. And it's just very frustrating. Y'all see this? See that? Yeah. And I have to continue to just cut those pieces off. So yeah, after about a week, you're gonna start to see it. After about a week, you're gonna start to see it show its true colors. It's gonna tangle a lot. And oh my gosh. Let me turn this brightness down. And maybe y'all can see better. Let me see. All right. Look at all. Just look. Y'all, man. I don't know about y'all, but like, I look freaking crazy. You have to do this every day with this hair. I'm telling you. And I really don't want this video to seem like I'm just really talking down on this hair and I hate this hair, because that's not what it is. But I do want to make sure that I'm being really honest with you guys, because people, you know, this stuff costs money, and I don't want my subscribers and the people that watch my channel to go out and buy the hair and just think it's going to be just the best hair ever just because of my install video and how it looked. So that's why I'm coming to you guys with this video, just so you can decide now if you still want to buy the hair or not. It might be too late for some of y'all. I apologize because I was sick. I've been trying to get this video out, but y'all, I've been going through it. I've really been going through it. But yeah, I think that should cover everything. That should cover everything about this hair. I hope it does. If it didn't and you still have questions, comment down below and I'll answer them. I try to respond back to all the comments that you guys have. Also, leave me video suggestions that you guys want to see, other hairstyles you want me to try. Yeah, anything you guys want to see, feel free to leave me comments below. Follow me on my Instagram at _dismissed. You can DM me video suggestions there also, or hairstyles you want me to try on myself. As always, I appreciate you guys so much for watching my video, my channel, just so much. Thank you guys for the support. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Sit in the lobby, show me something, keep it sauce and tell nobody in your city smoke exotic.